everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your profile on Fruit Ninja account. So if you don't want to use the Fruit Ninja game anymore since you've lost interest in it or whatever the reason is, and you'd like to get rid of your profile, then the process is quite easy. So make sure to watch the video until the end. So the first thing to do is to open the Fruit Ninja application on your device. Once you open up the application on your device, navigate to the menu button at the top right hand corner and tap on it. Now, choose Settings from the pop-up menu and under Settings, tap on Delete Profile at the bottom right. Remember that deleting your profile will clear out all of your progress. If you want to continue deleting your profile, tap on OK. And that is how you can easily delete your profile or reset your progress on Fruit Ninja. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.